BBAI stock analysis and BBAI stock prediction. In this very brief and short 1-minute video, I'm showing you what's up for the next week, you know, whether I'm buying, whether I'm not, and all that good jazz. Especially as I'm looking at BigBear.ai now. Honestly, man, it's kind of consolidating, and that's fine. You know, that is going to happen. What I'm not going to do, though, is just immediately get involved randomly. Now, having done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, documenting all that, I've seen what's actually printing me and what's not. So I'm trying to be a part of the market that previously was pumping up like crazy. So the things got turned from $1.80 to like 10. So that's a 10x move. Came down looking for another run, because I do think there's still more juice, you know, to squeeze. But I mean, all these links are just me previously buying, and I'm not even lying. Like, you can see a video demonstration proof of me actually doing that. 228 at the time, 6 months back. And ultimately, like, as we're here, the only thing that will make me buy more is this high getting taken out and I see a double break. And if not, bro, I'm not buying whatsoever. Like, I know people like to overcomplicate it, but it's just rules. I'm sticking to my rules. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.